Daiwiki. Today, I'm allowing my brother to join our video. I'm making an activity called kickball. We need 4 sticks. Hey, give me 6 clothespins, 1 ball, a shoebox size cardboard box with the opening on the top, and a knife. Finally, it's pencil. So you can mark it on both sides. I'm done. Now we need to cut it with the knife. Be careful. Use pivots. Cut the gold like this. Now we need to punch these sticks to holes. We need to make holes and punch these sticks. Let's do it. Yeah, I did it. Yeah. Got one. Next, another one. I'll do it. I'm putting my sticks in the box. See? Okay. Now we need to do the clothespins. My team is called stickers because there are stickers on the clothespins. Alex's team is plains. It's called plain because there's no stickers on it and it's actually plain. No color, no flare, just tan. Now we need to put it on the sticks. First, we need to do like this. Look. Like that, okay? In the end of it, and then it will make it. See? Oh no. Okay, now I'll do the rest of it. Stadium. Let's play with it. Yeah. No. Yeah. I did it. No. Oh. I did it! Kickball Stadium's done. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye!